Please, Granny, make stew for me. This was what I used to ask my grandmother when my parents parked me at hers. While zapping between Tigerman, Kenshiro, and Carletto, the Prince of Monsters, I watched her cooking with an admirable Olympic calm. The scent would become more and more inviting. Today we're going to prepare together traditional comfort food, tender, but so tender that it melts in your mouth. Veal stew with potatoes. This is my version. What do we need for our stew? Meat broth, potatoes, white wine, boneless veal, flour, bouquet garni, thyme, sage and rosemary, celery, carrots, onion for soffritto, pepper, salt, olive oil. Olive oil in the pot, soffritto in. Our rhythmic session. Let's cube our veal, let's cut it into slices, strips, and cubes. Some would keep it a little bigger. I like cubes this size. Veal in the pot. We'll brown it nicely, season with salt and pepper. Flour. This is the trick to have the nice cream sauce at the end. The sauce to mop up with bread. Let's stir it. Now the flour will absorb the cooking juices. Look how it has already started doing its job. We can glaze with white wine. Wow! Stir it to let the alcohol cook off. I highly recommend a quality wine. For a good stew, you need a good wine. Can't smell alcohol anymore, so we can cover it with a meat broth. A stir, and let's add our fantastic bouquet garni. I'm a huge fan of thyme, sage and rosemary. I tie them together so it's easier to take them out. Let's drown our bouquet. Let's cover it and see you in an hour. Let's peel our potatoes. What kind of stew with potatoes would be with no potatoes? And how many potatoes are peeled in the Navy? I remember that period. Punishment? Stern. Bow. Look out. They're all experiences. Experiences that shape you, mold you. So we're going to cut them in half, then in half again, and then a zigzag. Some cubes like this. Look. Okay, as big as the meat. An hour has gone past. Let's remove our bouquet garni that has done its job. Let's add to the potatoes a nice stir. Let's cover. There is still an hour left to finish cooking. Our stew will continue its journey alone. We'll occasionally give it a stir and season with salt and pepper. Check out how the cream has formed. Let's plate it. Some would add green peas, some like my mother would add a pinch of tomato paste. I like it just like this. Granny, look at this stew. Tonight at your place I'll bring mine, you make yours, and let's see which is the best. The mopping up directly from the pot is mandatory. Veal stew with potatoes. This is my version. I'm waiting for yours.